Just because it's raining and this thing leaks and my butt is wet doesn't mean you guys aren't getting a video today. Let's get into it. It's literally dripping right now. I can see it. You guys hear that drip? Yep. So it's a good thing I'm getting a windshield put in this thing. However, the reason for getting the windshield wasn't because it leaks, although clearly, yeah. So here's why we're getting a new windshield. Ooh, phone call. Alright, so phone call, I don't remember where I was. Let's pretend that I was talking about the cracked windshield and how it needs replaced, not the water. You guys even see that? See that? It was dripping from here. Look at that. Ew. Ha! There I am. Even the mirror is awful. Look at this thing. Yeah, so hopefully we can get this windshield switched out pretty quick. And just like that, no more exploded windshield bottom piece thing. So much better. Look at that. We got tape in the corner. It's obviously raining, so yeah, I'm not outside right now, but ta-da! And we will pick this up whenever we get home. Finally made it back to the house. Here is a better look at the new windshield. It's wet, and the tape kind of peeled up from the drive home. Obviously, the truck's going to need a lot of work. We've got so much stuff to go through, including the headliner, which is just horrible. I mean, look what this thing did to my hat. You see that? That's just headliner all over the hat. I mean, but here we are. As you can see, we have wedged the truck in the garage. So much room. I really need to clean this garage out. But that is your quick introduction to the S10, which will be another project, yet another project here on the channel. This one holds a little bit of sentimental value. It was my wife's first vehicle, so we're going to try and get this thing looking slick. But that's it for today. Nothing super long, just wanted to show off a little bit of the new truck. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I will see you next time. Thanks for hanging out.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up.